What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to go ahead and thank you for clicking on the video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Drop that like button, turn the post notifications on. We are back. I know in my last video, I think it was 3 or 4 weeks ago, I said that I was back consistent, but huge announcement. I had my son. He was born on, what are we in? July 23rd. Well, now it's August. He was born July 23rd. So my son was born. So the last couple weeks, it's been rough getting used to having a newborn, getting on a new sleeping schedule, and all that fun stuff with having a baby. So I'm back making a video, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing and mod that you need on your truck. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so the product we're doing today, I got it off of Amazon from a company called Nilight. They do LED lighting. I've done previous videos on their products before. The front of my girlfriend's Jeep, the bumper is actually made by Nilight. So we are going to be doing another product that they have. The package looks just like that. These are LED lights that you can get for interior lighting. They look like that. And then we have another dome light, if I can find the bulb, that is right here, that we will be popping in our rear light. So right now I'm going to show you guys. I have a pry tool and a flathead, because you're going to want to pull and get the clips out of here that are underneath your lights. Just like that. Remove that piece. And then there's also this middle piece, just like that. And then once you get that out, you have these two pieces right here. And then you can literally, without burning myself, pull the bulb right out just like that. So you want to do that. And then you want to take your new LED bulb right here, just like that, and replace it right where your other ones were at. That's right. Damn, that's bright. It's actually very bright. So then, as you can see right there, this is very bright. So you want to take your metal piece that was popped in and put it right back where it went. Then you want to take the plastic piece and do the same. And right there, just like that, we have changed the front ones to the LEDs. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the back and change the other two ones and our dome light to this LED one. So we'll see you in the back of the truck. So now we're at the back of the truck. We're going to be removing the dome light. There are two switches, one here, and a single dome light. We will now be putting our lights in the rear. So you want to take either a flathead or a pry tool. I'm using a pry tool that you use for popping little push pins out of the fender liners, so this will work fine. But there's a clip here, here, and here. You want to just start working it, not really using too much pressure. Just like that. So then what you want to do, remove that. So now, as you can see, there's one here, center one there. We're going to go ahead and pop these in. Got one right there. And then we will do our center. So as you guys saw, pretty clean and smooth install, really easy and simple. Just a couple clips that you got to pull on each dome light and just pop them in. Be very careful, like I said, when you are popping the clips out, because they are very easy to break. But Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. I think it's a really nice touch to put those in your truck, because as you guys can see, just going from the ugly, you know, yellow light that's stock going to this cool white LED, it's night and day difference. I mean, when I get in the truck, it literally feels like, you know, someone turned a big old spotlight on, or it's daylight in my cab. But it is so bright, and the quality in these lights, I mean, honestly, I think it's worth, I think the $10 I paid, $12, I think that's what I paid, something like that. But the quality is there. I definitely think it is a must-have mod on your truck or car, Jeep, whatever you own. I think changing that ugly yellow stock light out on your dome lights or any interior light is definitely a must. But as you guys can see, you know, they look really nice, make your interior look a lot better than what it was stock. So I'll have a link down in the description to Nilight's Amazon site where you can get these and go browse some of their other products. I'm going to have another video in the next day or so where we are installing another Nilight product on my truck and do a review on that and a little how-to install video. So you're going to definitely want to stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing and showing all the love on the videos. If you've made it this far, drop a comment down below. Without further ado, guys, that's pretty much going to end the video here. So, like I said, thank you for liking and subscribing and tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.